Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Git on Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First, open up a web browser and then search for Git. After that, open the official website and make sure to download it onto your device. Simply, scroll down and you'll see the latest source release. You just need to click on Download for Windows and then choose the compatible version. Once it's downloaded, launch the setup application and click Yes to any pop-up. Now, click on Next. You can then choose a location you want to install it to, but I would just recommend keep it on the default, which is going to be in Program Files. Then click Next and you'll be taken to this window, in which you can just leave everything on default. Then click Next, and then click Next again. Here on the default, use the top one, and then leave everything on default. Now, I would keep all of these settings the same, and then use the recommended option here. Then, just click on Install button, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can download and install Git on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.